Did a software update break the Jetbrains ReSharper Features Environment DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Jetbrains running again. As we get into the manual process for Jetbrains ReSharper Features environment, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Jetbrains ReSharper Features environment, part of the Jetbrains toolset managing the localized privilege elevation and environment handshakes required for the IDE to interact with the OS shell. While primarily for devs, its absence can cause access-denied errors in specialized reverse engineering tools. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open command prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files, like Jetbrains ReSharper Features Environment DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Jetbrains ReSharper Features environment component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Keep in mind that Jetbrains ReSharper Features Environment DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Review repair-related information for Jetbrains ReSharper Features environment by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Jetbrains ReSharper Features environment from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.